Have you seen a video of 4 million views, a 5 million views? A video of Mr. Beast roughly have 160 million views, 260 million views, 800 and something views, million views. Do you know how those videos go viral? It is not the algorithm push the video out there. And the reason why the algorithm push the video, let me explain to you. Assuming you upload your video now and your video reach 10 people, and out of that 10 people, we have 2 to 3 people that like your video. Your algorithm will think that people like your video, and it will extend the video. It will push the video to another 50 people. Now, another 50 people that it push those video to, and if they like the video, you understand? If like 10 people among them like the video, it will push it to another 200, another 100 or 200 people. Now, among that 200 or 100 people, if they have like 20 to 10 people that like the video, that comment, that share the video, it will push the video to almost 500 and 800 people. So if you upload your video and all your video you have 5 views, you have 20 views, you have 100 views, you have 200 views, and there was no like, that will kill your video. So you'll be seeing that people will be saying that, like my video, comment, subscribe. They are encouraging viewers to do that because they know that it helps their video. It makes YouTube push their video. It helps YouTube recommend their video. This is how viral video works. So without like, without comment, without subscribe, without engagement, there's nothing like viral video. So this is how viral video work, and I believe that you understand this now. So the next time you are going to post a video, you post a video that you know that it will invoke engagement. People, if 100 people watch the video, 10 people must like it, 20 people must like it, because they would like to engage. Create a content that people want to comment on, a questionable comment, a comment that gives suspense. So those such comments, such video will help the algorithm to push out your video. You understand? This is how this thing works. So if you post a video and your video hits 100 people and nobody watched that video, that video will stop in that 100 video. It will go. The algorithm will not push out. So the algorithm push video based on the engagement on the on the video and the interest of the video. That's how this algorithm works. So without this understanding, it will hard for you. It will hard for you to have a video of 1 million views, 10 million views, 5 million views. If you have audience that doesn't like, audience that doesn't comment, you will have a low view. So make sure as you are creating content, make sure you are creating content of what people are doing, what are looking for. This thing happen all over the social media, both Facebook, both YouTube, both TikTok, both Instagram, and all social media. The more people like your video, the more people comment your video, the more the algorithm will be pushing your video out there for more people to do what? For more people to be watching. That's how this thing works, and I hope you understand. So that's the secret I want to tell you today. Create an engagement video. Not just create anyhow video and publish it out there. You create video that people will want to watch and people will want to do what? People will want to comment on and liking. And always encourage your viewers to like your video. Don't just post a video and leave it there. Encourage them to like your video, to watch it from very beginning to end, and help them do all these things so that it can be perfect. And thank you for following me up to now. I hope this video was very helpful, and God bless you. So in my next video, we are going to split into pieces the 4,000 watch hour, how they work and how to get them. So that will see my time. Bye bye.